subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update.
As the world has become fitness conscious, the monitoring of fitness has gone to a different level altogether.
Measuring the heart rate when the subject is in high motion is very difficult, as the sensors need to be placed so that it can filter the heart rate signals from the other physiological muscular activities.
Fitness gadgets have flooded the world. So let's find out, it is more than something or just a marketing gimmick. In this video, we will be comparing the fitness band with the ICU patient monitoring system.
On comparing the fitness band with the patient monitor, here we have the fitness band as MI Band 2 and the patient monitor, the Philips IntelliVue MP70. On the first time when we take the heart rate, it was showing 53, but after some time it became a more accurate to 80, and the Philips MP70 was showing 83. We also should note that the patient monitoring system of ICUs and OTs are continuous monitoring systems. These continuously monitor the heart rate. Then we took the second reading. The band was showing 80. The patient monitor was showing in between 83 to 85. We take another reading. It was the band was showing 83 and the patient monitor was showing around 83 to 84. We also taken this monitor and checked on Philips IntelliVue MP40, and in that the fitness band was showing 85 and the patient monitor was showing around 85 to 83. We also compare pulse oximeter with fitness band. The fitness band was showing 80 and the pulse oximeter was showing data around 83. With these three readings into consideration, the error percentage was calculated approx. That is approx 6 to 5% error was present.
The fitness band uses the optical heart rate monitor for viewing the heart rate. They uses photoplethysmography for measuring the heart rate. From the patient monitor system, this is quite different. So that uses a different technology and this a different one.
The fitness band uses two LEDs that sense light into the skin, and through the DSP, that is digital signal processing, the diffracted light from the user is captured.
The conclusion that we get from this analysis is the fitness bands are quite good for daily activities, but it should not be compared to a patient monitor and it should not be used for interpreting health information or giving a clinical suggestion.
We have made a separate video for pulse oximetry, whose link is given in the description below. Do check that out. And this was all for the optical heart rate monitor and the comparison between an optical heart rate monitor with an ICU based patient monitoring system. See you then in the next video.